Guys, it's a brand new day. It's sunny outside, nice and chill. I'm gonna move the 992 because it's sitting in a weird spot. Guys, I'm picking up my buddy. He's calling this the crack den. I said, where are you at? He said, I'm at the crack den. Come pick me up. It's an Airbnb. Dually. All right, we went and ate. Now we're heading back to the truck, and then I'm gonna go get my hair cut. I've got my kids with me and my buddy. They're just gonna have to wait, I guess. We'll be quick though. I just took the kids to Claire's, spent 450 bucks on garbage. Getting back in the truck, and then we're gonna head to Sky Zone. Guys, we stopped off at a convenience store. Just gonna grab something, then we're headed to Sky Zone, and we're gonna jump. We got no kids with us, just the parents are gonna jump. It's like, we got kids with us. This is just Dale. Hey guys, we're at a restaurant. This is called poutine. It's like gravy with french fries and cheese. We're looking at cars. We got a Shelby Cobra 427. I was just telling my brother it's 189,000. I bought that 993 for 285,000, so I could have bought this and then bought something else. Yeah, it's like a little milder crap. Okay. What? That's the coolest magic trick I've ever seen. What would you guys pick? Aston Martin, Corvette. Aston Martin, 318,000. Bentley, 350. Yeah, yep. All right, guys. My buddy who's visiting, we're in the 993, and I'm gonna take him out in it. We're gonna go cruise around. Change of plans, guys. We had to switch it up to the truck. We got to go pick up something. All right, guys. New day. Sunday, 6:13 a.m. Back out on the streets. We're having a baby shower today. It's 7 a.m. I'm the only car in the Publix parking lot. I need to get ice, desserts, and some other stuff. It's raining. So you guys remember I got a license plate, custom license plate for the 993. Well, it says dialed in. The license plate says dialed in, but it's abbreviated. Well, my buddy, when he was visiting, and my brother were looking at the car, and they're like, dude, what did you put on the license plate? And I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, it's dialed in, dude. He's like, no, it looks like it says dildo in. I'm like, what? He's like, yeah. I started looking at it, I'm like, oh my gosh, what did I do? The 993 says dildo in on the back. So I'm getting rid of that license plate, dude. I think I might get one that says SCHD or something. I'm responsible for the food for this baby shower. So I'm getting everybody cheesesteak subs and Steel Reserve 40s. It's like, no, so I've already got the food like ordered through catering, but I got to get the little side dishes and stuff. And I want to get like bottled water. I want to get drinks. I need to get some things for chips and stuff. I'm going to mix up the brands just in case somebody's got a preference. I'm going to get a little bit of everything. I love you. Cool. So there's some sugar-free Red Bulls in the thing. I'm trying to think what a kids drink. I need to get some like apple juice and stuff. Dude, these chips are good. You ever had these chips? I'm getting these. I don't know if I'm getting the wrong kind of food for a baby shower. This looks like I'm getting stuff more like I got friends coming over to watch UFC. Gotta get some Utz. Represent Baltimore. That's where I grew up. That's where Utz is located. Well, Hanover, PA, but close enough. I might be overdoing it because I think we only have about 20 people. Hey, we'll have a variety. Damn, dude, 16 bucks for some nuts. You guys ever look at the price per ounce? Like 88 cents per ounce. Even though these look cheaper, $1.10 per ounce. I'm going with the bigger one. I don't have a cooler. Maybe I should just buy one of these tubs and fill it with ice. Yeah, I could get like 2 of them. And I'll take these handles off. You won't even know what it is. My wife put me in charge of stuff. She's gonna be like, why did I get him to do this? That'll work though. I guess I should take the lids because we can keep them and use them. Now I need to get some bowls for the chips. Or I guess I could use pots and pans at the house. I could put chips in these, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go with these. They're gonna look fancy. Like silver, like platinum. I'm gonna throw one of these in there for my mixed nuts and my honey mustard pretzel bites. I'm gonna get one more. All right, now we need lemonade to get the kids all hyped up. Pineapple juice. Kids fruit punch so they can stain stuff. Apple juice, kids like apple juice. Lemonade, get them all hyped up. No, it says no sugar. Oh, you know what? I ordered a cheese platter, so I bet you I need to get some crackers. Oh man, I'm starting to think I got all this catered food. I don't know if I need all this stuff. Sparkling white grape juice. Throw that in there. Guys, I think I overdid it. But, man, it sucks it's raining. I gotta go back get the ice. I'm gonna get another one of those tubs, so I got like another cooler style thing. Then I gotta go do some other stuff. Then I gotta come back here at 9:30 to get the food. Guys, I got the tub. I got the ice. Now I just gotta get this stuff back. Hit up my buddy who's visiting, staying down the street. See what he's up to. Let's throw the ice back here. All right, now we're gonna put the cart back. All right, guys, now I'm back at Publix. There's a 911. Chalk. I'm going in there to get food, catering food. I've got about 1 hour to get the food, blow up balloons, hang a piñata, take a shower, change. All right, guys, the baby shower's coming together. Look, my buddy Syra made a piñata. My buddy Landis is helping me blow up balloons. Look, it's getting dialed in. Look, we got flowers, we got food, we got the baby stuff. Check it out. Got drinks. We got more food in there. Guys, baby shower's over. There's the 911 right there, just sitting. But we got a lot of food left over. So what we decided to do was, we're gonna put lots of food in here. We're gonna go try to find some homeless people to give it to. I want to throw it away, but while they're doing that, I gotta bring all these trash cans and all these. I told my buddy, I said, I'm like the guy who disappears when the work starts. Like, I'm like, hey, can you guys load these up in the car? And they're like, yeah. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go reorganize the trash cans outside, and I'll see you in a little bit. Psych. Shout out to everybody watching the channel. One guy left a comment. It's so funny because I feel like I'm like 25, but he's probably right. He called me a boomer, which is funny. But I don't think I'm a boomer. I think I'm a millennial, I think. But I was born in 84. I don't know, who knows. But no, he said, he didn't say washed up, but that's what I heard. You know you're a washed up dividend investing boomer when you think VOO is high growth. But he might have like kind of heard me wrong when I was talking about VOO and growth. I meant more like exposure to the Mag 7, not like high growth. Man, I got that quantum, dude. That's growth. Well, hopefully, we'll see. And then I have crypto, so that's more growth. But I don't know, maybe he wants me in a bunch of meme coins. Been there, done that. Been there, done that. Been there, lost that. No, you guys know, if you watch my old videos, I turned 13,000 into 700,000. And I showed it on the video. But with Shiba back in the day. And but then after that, with confirmation bias, I chased those gains again and again and again. Like I was chasing the dragon. How you doing? Like a heroin addict chasing the dragon. And then, like my brother used to say to me, gosh, dude, if we would have just kept it in Ethereum. I ended up losing almost, not all, I lost a lot of it, but I had to pay taxes on the gains. It was a nightmare. Not to mention Husky, Luffy, S-Dog, Koshi, Flocky. No, Flocky is like a newer. I didn't really have Flocky. I just had a little bit for a little while. My brother needs to comment on this video with some of the coins that we had. Look, I got white shorts on. Look like I'm about to go hit the golf course. I had to dress nice for the baby shower. I had to buy white boxers because the shorts were so white. My friends are looking at me like, who is he talking to? Talking to my other friends on YouTube. They're doing the loading up of the food. They're the mans. What? Yeah. I got a couple more boxes. Then I got to go wipe my face off and then we'll go. But yeah, after all those years of playing around with meme coins and all those cryptos, dude, I've come to love, because I was doing that while I had the rentals. So I was always interested in income, but I've just come to love just focusing on growing the income. A nice little plan, slow like the turtle, but maybe one day it'll pay off. I don't know, who knows? It's so hard to measure your success in a time capsule. Like, for example, I saw a thing that said like gold outperformed the S&P over the last something years. And it's like that statistic just became a reality because of gold increasing and the S&P decreasing. So it's like a moment in time you get certain results. So I don't really care about these I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about, but you get what I'm saying. I just want to focus on damn income, replacing my income, replacing my paycheck, replacing trading my time for money. And I know that it's sustainable in some way, and I don't have to trade more time to get that money. Whether that's at tax time. That's what I like about dividend stocks. I can just print out a statement, give it to my CPA. Guys, we're downtown now. We're cruising. We got the whole entire truck bed full of food. We're gonna, we got cops at the, they're not gonna like this. Probably not gonna, we came down to the bus station. All right, guys, we're down in the streets. Gonna give out some food. Yeah, we got a lot of food for you. We got all kinds of stuff, cheesesteaks. No. All right. Get some more people. That guy doesn't want nothing.
Want me to give him these wraps right here?
Oh, ask him if he wants the wraps. I forgot we have the wraps.
You want the wrap?
I think that's an international. Yeah, that's an international. Let's ask him.
I'll send the video to you.
Hey, do you want any food? We got a bunch of food from... No. We can't find anybody. The Lamborghini 911 991.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm gonna drop my buddy off at his Airbnb. Now I'm heading back to my house. It has been a long day, and none of the homeless people wanted the food. One of them said, "You don't got any steak?" Another one said, "Nah, man, I don't want that. That looks like garbage." And then, because a lot of the stuff we had left was like vegetables and dip, so I wouldn't want it either. But no, some of it was good. It was like Cuban subs and stuff. We ended up throwing a bunch of it away because we couldn't find anybody to give it to.
Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work. Come on, spill the tea, yeah. Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work.